I think we're gonna go to the Dirty Dancing site. Love it, this is so cool.
Nobody puts baby in a corner.
Whoa.
Welcome to MCC Just Motos.
All right, guys, it's Andy. We got Oksanna here. We're waiting for Jason. We're gonna go riding. I think we're gonna go to the Dirty Dancing site. We'll figure it out. Yeah, she's on a T7. Jason's on a Moto Moroni. I'm on my Himalayan, and we're gonna go for a spin. Look at that sexy bike. He's getting directions. I'm going this way. I'll be right back. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Not T7 power. Probably half T7 power. Jason's leading the way in his Moto Moroni. Man, I really like that motorcycle. Tenere is a beautiful bike, too. They got the same tire. Look at that. Well, it's pulling for me, but not that bad. Oh man, this is just... I took this road on my Hunter 350. This is where they actually filmed the Dirty Dancing scene. What do they call it? The clubhouse. The clubhouse where they filmed Dirty Dancing in Pembrook, Virginia. So I've never been there, but I hear it's here. Yeah, so we'll check it out. 3 adventure touring. You got the Moto Moroni, the Yamaha, the Moto Moroni, what is it? I forget, the 650, can't remember the name. Anyway, Moto Moroni, Yamaha T700, and then Royal Enfield Himalayan. I love that snappy punch at the top end. We just pulling. Yeah, there's definitely more power in this Himalayan than the Hunter 350. And I couldn't make 30 miles an hour up here, and I'm just smoking with this Himalayan. Woo-wee. And it just pulls in any gear. I love it. Man, I think this bike is built so well. I'm so happy on this motorcycle. Top end pull, bottom end torque. It really feels different than a stock Himalayan. And this is where I turn around on my Hunter 350. Although I got here a lot faster on the Himalayan. Yeah. This bike definitely is so nice too. It's so nice to have a brand that you can really build exactly to your liking. I said this before, I think maybe Royal Enfield has kind of taken the mantle from Harley Davidson for bikes that are easier to build, mainly because the price on them is so much cheaper than on a Harley. Was in the wrong gear, up and down shift, and we're just keeping right up. Using that torque, there we go. I don't know, this is just so nice. And it's so shady out. Not shady, cool when you're riding. Where are we at? I don't know. This is so cool. Oh, I love it. This is so cool. Whoa. Love it. Whoa. Look at that. This has got to be it. This is rad as hell. Oh, that's so Kellermen's. Oh, wow. Okay. Little bee. Alright, we're gonna take a look around here. That's cool. Okay, we're in Kellermen's gift shop. Everything's Dirty Dancing. Kind of cool. And there's the pretty neat. Alright, gift shop.
I think that was the cabin that baby and her family.
Oh, you might be right. Yeah, totally. Okay. Okay.
Oh my God. I was jumping that with my gear on right now.
Right? Oh, that's so cool. Man.
But yeah, these cabins are really cool.
Yeah.
Like volleyball.
So, really good view of the pool, and again, that's where baby's cabin was, and awesome. This looks like an awesome hangout locale. Whoa!
There's none up there.
Oh yeah. Hello. Hello. Cool. I'm on the Arai T700, and Oksanna is on my Himalayan. We said, hey, we'll switch. I said, sure. So this bike is a lot. It's bigger, it's taller, but it doesn't necessarily feel that much heavier at all. It actually transitions side to side really well. Very confidence inspiring. It feels really nice. The brakes feel good. The power's good. But you know, it's interesting, right? The fact that I'm actually comparing to my Himalayan to, you know, a T7 is pretty awesome if you think about it. You do sit a lot higher. To be fair, I probably like my Pan America better as a sport tourer, kind of. But this I'd probably take over the Pan America for serious off-road. It can kind of do a little bit better, I think. And this display is nice to see. Yeah. So again, this is a much more powerful bike than my Himalayan, but the fact that, again, it's in the same conversation, it's kind of interesting, right? Oh wow, let's see what we can see here. Oh, what a cool way to stand. I say stand, but I meant like a viewing stand, not like I'm standing up, even though I was, so yeah, probably a little confusing. So, oh yeah, the side of the bike on these tires, the side of the tires on this bike is nice. There's no issues pulling in. So there's a charm to this bike, and I really like the display. Really easy to see things. Again, it does feel tall, but like when I compare it to my Pan America, I think just feels more locked down on the sporty side of the house. But again, this feels more dirt bikey, but still very nice in the corners. A fun little twisty turny. Ooh, funk. Oh, wow. I hit some dirt there. I got sketched pretty quick, actually. Woo! I was on the gas, hit some dirt unseen, and the front end just about washed out on me. Woo! So what can I say? Well, just going downhill, there's not much I can really tell you except that it feels like a more substantial size motorcycle, smoother. I think the bars are a little more vibration-y, actually. Believe it or not, I think the Himalayan is a little more comfortable for me. Well, should be. I designed it for me. So yeah, this one feels a little more pressure on the handlebars. Stand-up feels about the same, to be honest with you. Yeah, it feels almost exactly the same. So I think the leg position feels about the same too. The seat feels about the same. Difference is the handlebars, a little more pressure on this bike. So I think the leg and foot spacing, like the distance between my hips to my feet, is about the same on my bike. So as tall as a bike this is, it does transition nicely side to side. And you definitely have some power. You're not worried about where the power is because it feels like it has a lot of it wherever you need it. Oh, that's cool. Huge slip and slide. How do you like that? Yeah. It is different. Yep. Yeah. It feels really similar to stand up on, to be honest with you. Yeah, it feels really similar. That actually makes me laugh. It just feels like a taller version of the Himalayan in the ergonomics. All right, guys. This may do it for me, so please like and subscribe, and enjoy that Dirty Dancing feast and fun. See ya.